What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Solana, which has been performing absolutely crazy over the last couple of days, and in the last 24 hours as well it has pumped up nearly 20% and it is currently trading at $59.69. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to next. Can it potentially head up to $100 by the end of the year? As you guys can see, over the month it has gone up 170% from $22 all the way up to $60 right now. So yes, it does have the potential, but it depends on how the crypto market is likely to perform as well over the coming 5 to 6 weeks, and also Solana's updates as well. So we're going to be going through, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is now the right time to sell it and take out your profits? Or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming days, weeks, months, and so on? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart. This gives us the average value of Solana, which is here in purple at $40.92. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at nearly $60, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange now looking quite bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value, I'm not expecting a major pump or a major bull run, or even the way that it's been pumping over the last couple of hours. I'm not expecting that. In fact, I'm expecting it to hit just about $62 to $63 towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But as usual, do expect red candlesticks in between as well. As you guys can see, it's been up and down, but more or less it's been moving towards a positive direction with red candles in between. That is exactly what's likely to carry on over the next couple of hours. As you guys can see, as I'm recording right now, it went from $60 to nearly hitting $61 right now. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, going towards a positive direction, but they're not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning an overall increase in value is again expected from Solana over the next week or so. Potentially towards the end of next week, Solana should be heading over $70 is where I'm expecting it to head towards. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit the odd red day here and there in between. But all I know is that as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And in this point, I am expecting the crypto to have gone for an overall increase in value over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, Solana should be trading around over $70 or much higher than that. But you guys have asked for regular updates on Solana, so I'll be sure to keep you guys updated at least about 3 to 4 times a week on Solana, just to keep you guys in the loop on what my prediction and my expectations are from this crypto. Moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks we are still looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, it is looking quite steep once again, meaning this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December, towards the end of the year, yes, I am expecting an overall increase from Solana, potentially nearly hitting the $100 mark is what I'm expecting. I'm not saying it's going to hit it, but near about that target, between $95 and $100, around that price range is where I'm expecting Solana to be trading at towards the very end of the year. Only reason I say this is because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting over $40,000 in value by the end of the year, which should have a positive impact on the value of the crypto market. which also of course includes Solana. So heading to around $100 is where I'm expecting Solana to be trading at towards the very end of the year. But again, cryptocurrency, guys, you know how it works. It's very volatile. Pumps, crashes, bull runs, anything like that can happen. But if I'm able to predict such thing, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Solana, and hopefully in 2024 as well we should see the crypto market heading towards a bullish direction, and including Solana as well heading over to about $300 to $400 overall in 2024. I'm not saying as soon as it hits 2024 it's going to pump up, but I'm saying throughout the whole of 2024 we should see an increase to that value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we are getting very close to the resistance target here, which is $65, guys. We should be hitting that over the next couple of days. Yes, it is going to resist, and when it resists, that's when we're going to see the red day, where it's going to try and drop back down into the red zone. But my prediction is that it's going to break out from the resistance target and head into the green zone by late November and early December as well. We should see Solana trading in the green zone. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up 18% in the last 24 hours, making it $3.9 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Solana. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers. And again, guys, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, meaning it is getting a lot of attention. A lot more people are looking to sell it as well and take out their profits. And a lot of people are thinking, you know what, I've missed it, let me buy into it right now. And again, I wouldn't say it's too late to buy, but again, I would be careful on how much I'm investing and when I'm investing and selling it as well, because most of the time when you sell it is when you make the profit, guys, not when you buy it. So yeah, just make sure that your risk management is on point, and I would use DCA when it comes to investing into Solana, especially at this point, as it is quite high to invest. But yeah, dollar cost averaging, if you don't know what that is, go look into it. Just search on Google. That's what I use when I do my investment strategies. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.